Lesson 93, the discriminant, page number 386. All right, so quadratic formula. This part underneath the radical sign is the discriminant. And like Riley had said, it is not including the radical sign. It's only b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so given three different quadratic formulas there, give me your answer for when you use the quadratic here, somebody over here.
Overall answer is -2.
Okay, this answer for x squared minus 5x plus 1, or I'm sorry, plus 5x minus 1.
Somebody in that group say the answer.
Oh, plus
Anybody get that?
minus square root plus 29.
Okay. So this would be -5/2. Let's
Ashley Hammond, you are being taken back to your classroom. Make your way back to your classroom immediately. Thank you.
She was yelling.
She was.
Yeah. She was.
okay. And x squared plus 5x plus 7. What do you get?
-5 over 2 plus or minus square root of 3 over 2i.
Oh.
Wow,
Okay. Notice what we get here when we get an answer. We have one real number. We have two real numbers. We have two complex numbers. Those are your options dealing with the answers to any of these algebraic problems. You're going to get one real number, two different real numbers, or two complex numbers. You can determine what kind of an answer you're going to get, whether you're going to get those complex numbers or real numbers or whatever, based on what the discriminant is. So, this group over here, when you found the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, when you get b squared minus 4ac, what is your discriminant?
0.
Your discriminant is 0. Okay? When you put in your discriminant here, did you get a positive number or a negative number for your discriminant? Positive. And over here, when you put in your numbers, your discriminant was positive and negative.
Negative.
Negative, that's why you got an I. So those are your three clues. If you get 0 for a discriminant, you get one answer, because your square root sign disappears because you get the square root of 0. So there's no plus or minus anything. So when you look up here, this whole thing disappears. So it's just negative b over 2a. When you have this one here, you got b squared minus 4ac, you got a positive number, so you get a positive answer. When you use this one, you got a negative number in here, which means you took the square root of a negative number, which meant you had an I. So, that's really most of the thing in the lesson. They will give you the quadratic equation, and all they're interested in is the discriminant positive, negative, or 0. So that's all you have to do is look at the b squared minus 4ac, determine whether it's positive, negative, or 0, and put that down. That's all you need to do for that. Okay, so that's lesson 93.
Really?